Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So this is Jen and you're watching Canadian Jen Unboxing. I don't even know if I'm going to end up keeping that name, but for now that's what I am called. So I wasn't going to do a video today actually. It's just kind of an off day for me, so I felt like maybe I should just come on, do a stupid little video and have fun. It's just, you know, you stay at home all day, and your mind just kind of like wanders and you think about things and you overthink things, and yeah, it's just one of those days where, you know, you're sitting, you're like, okay, I'm sitting at this age, I have nothing to show for myself, like, it's just one of those days. Like, I don't feel like I'm good enough, I just down on myself today, I guess. I just feel like no one wants to give me a chance with anything. I've had multiple photography inquiries and no one wants to give me a shot, so I guess that's a bust. This is probably too, so thumbs up to that. So down on myself right now, so I'm not even doing this to make money, I'm just doing it just to, like I said, this is my out, this is my way of just expressing and I guess talking, because right now I feel like I don't have anyone to talk to. Everyone's so busy with their own lives, and that's totally understandable. I don't have any hard feelings to anyone. It's just what it is. Everyone has busy lives. Everyone just, you know, it's just what it is. Like, I have a busy life too sometimes, so like I get it, like especially when you have kids, you get it. So anyways, today we are just going to do a quick little review. It is on the Color Workshop Jewel Tones Blush. I am trying on a blush today. So I just picked this up at the Dollar Tree. Not anything special, and there it goes on the floor. So yeah, we're just going to try that out. But first off, I am wearing the Model Co. liner that I got in my Lip Monthly bag. I felt like it pulled a little bit, but you know what? I felt like it did define my lips a little bit more. So we'll try it out a little bit more and see how it is. I'll probably still wear it. Like, I'm not one of those ones that try one thing once and then use it, like throw it out. Like, I'll give things a try. And then I am also wearing the dupe because I did get a comment from someone saying that they like this color on me a lot, so thank you so much. It is very pretty. It is like a rose tone color, so like if you are interested in that, check out the website for when it does come out, because it's not even for sale yet. So this was awesome to get. It's very pretty. Anyways, so I will actually use my color switch today because I don't know when the last time I washed my brush. And this is just a really cheap brush because I can't find a good one. So I'm just going to wash this brush in my color switch. This is what you do with it, guys. So it literally will just take off anything if I did use this brush anytime within the last week or so. So we'll just take off everything. And while I'm at it, I'll use this for my highlighting brush. I gravitate to this one all the time still over the fan brush. The fan brush is okay. It's definitely something I have to get used to. I'm just not used to the, I guess, the movement of the fan. Where this one I can use. I've used this all the time since I've got it. So yes, this is great. So brushes are ready to go. Let's just open up this little package here. I don't think it has a color. I think there was only one color. Maybe there is one. Nope. It just says jewel tones, so maybe it's only a one color only thing. So that's what the color looks like. Like, it looks really intimidating. Like, really intimidating. I have a feeling that it's not going to be as intense, or if it is, I'm gonna look like a doll, I guess. I don't know what I was gonna say, but that's the color. So it is nice, but it probably won't go on that. Either way, I will probably still go in very light-handed. Let's just quickly try this out. It picks up well on the brush. Can you guys see that? Like, you can picks up, so let's tap some of that excess off and give me one quick sec while we try this baby out. Oh. Alright, yeah, so like you need to like literally blend this baby out. Like it's intense. Like it's definitely very brightening. And of course I don't have any loose powder around to do anything with that. What do you guys think? I look like a little doll. It's very oh, let's see, I can just use my fingers like that. We'll soften it out. Just looks like I have really rosy cheeks. Like, it is a pretty color. It's just very intense. So very very intense for a dollar store product. Like, let's try to maybe not go in so intense with this side. Let's check it out. Oh, see, like it's very pigmented. like it's pretty. It's just I don't usually go this intense with my color, so like it's pretty. It's pretty, that's for sure. But it's very intense and very pigmented. Like, look at that. That is crazy for a dollar store product. Like, just let's see if it swatches good on the hand. Oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that. That is really nice. Let's see, so if you want like a darker, I look like a clown. It's nice. I just have to, like, when I use it again, I'll have to remember very light. Like, I even went in light with this color, but like this is crazy. Like, maybe even lighter next time. Like, that's it on the hand. Like, crazy. Anyways, I'll throw in some highlighter too, just, you know, to make it even more crazy. And I'll use one of my favorite highlighters, which is the Wonder Beauty Afterglow. So can you guys see the afterglow on top here? You probably can't, but I really like this. This was in my Ipsy bag, so I'll just throw that on top. I seriously look like, it looks good. Like, don't get me wrong, it looks good. It probably looks like a clown on camera, but like when I look in my mirror, it just looks like I have nice rosy cheeks. Like, it doesn't look horrible, but in the camera, like, thingy over here, it just looks like I'm a clown. So let's just throw in a little bit of highlighter here, make it a little bit more crazy. So why not, right? Why not? You know me. Or actually, you don't know me yet, but I'm just crazy. I just go with the flow. But yeah, see, like, it looks really good with the highlighter. Like, I'm impressed. Like, for some reason, I think I know that company. Like, where do I know that company from? Like, where do I know that company from? Like, I feel like I know the company from somewhere. Like, I don't know. I'll have to look at that. Like, for some reason, like, I think I know where I've heard of this company. Or maybe I'm just dreaming. Anyways, so, my stupid bra strap. Anyways, I like it. In the viewfinder, it's very intense. It's not that tense when I look in here. Like, it just looks like I have like nice rosy cheeks. It's a pretty good freaking formula for a dollar store. So that's it. I give it a thumbs up, guys. That's a good one. And thumbs up to the dupe. And for the lip liner. I don't know. I'll have to try that out a little bit more. You know what? I'm probably just gonna leave it. Like, my hair is crazy. Why not leave my face crazy too? Anyways, so it is Friday. I hope everyone has a good weekend. I have nothing planned. It is my daughter and my son's last day of swimming. That will be fun. Nothing else planned. Oh, I get my muffler fixed. I'm so happy because right now it sounds like a little crotch rocket. It's just bugging me. Anyways, so I hope everyone has a good weekend. If you are liking my channel at all, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Yeah, I think that's everything. So subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up. I hope everyone sees me soon. I hope everyone sees me soon. Oh, like my shirt, Whiskey in a Teacup. I got it at Draper James in Nashville. It's like one of my favorite t-shirts ever. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. One of my favorite stores too. Go Reese Witherspoon. Anyways, have a good weekend. See you soon. Subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up. Bye guys. Woo!